my dreams come true.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you want my little doll, baby.
Hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby.
Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. Today I am doing the Halloween nails and eyelashes. You know I love this. I have several videos. I do this every year. They have specialty lashes for Halloween at the drugstore. All these came from Walmart, from Kiss and Wet n Wild, and they have a specialty limited edition nails. So I always do this video with what I have found, so I'll get this up ASAP because these are available right now. I am wearing Outrage's Allura. We'll get into her. And I have a actually get ready with me using like doing all of this. So check out that video as well. So let's start with the lashes. Kiss came out with the cutest lashes this year. And okay, so these ones are called Hocus Pocus. It says, I wish you a happy Halloween. I'm actually wearing these lashes, but I cut them in half. That's how I use Halloween lashes. They're usually pretty big and dramatic, and I usually just cut them. So I am actually wearing this style currently, and I love it. Love it so much. So this is the Helena. And then I also have Spooky Night, and this is Beatrix. These are $3.99. These lashes are so, I mean, I love Halloween lashes. Outside of my Lily lashes or my velour, like I just use Halloween lashes all year long. This is called this Spell on You, and this is Phoebe. So wispy, so cute. I also have another Spell on You, but this is Sabrina. So you can see Phoebe versus Sabrina. Sabrina's much fuller. And then I have Witches Gather, and this is Ursula. And I have another Witches Gather, and this is Samantha. These are definitely, let's look at them side by side, the difference. These are much more piecey. Okay. So that's it for the Kiss Halloween lashes. And I did get one of the Wet n Wild. They had a few. I just got 2 of the same one. And this is Supernatural. And if you can see, they just have the very slightest burgundy-esque, purple-esque tip. And I got 2 of those. So that's what I got for the lashes. Next up, I got the nails, and I'm actually wearing Halloween nails right now. This is from not last year but the year before. I basically like hoard them, and then once it's been like a year or two, then I'm like, okay, now you can wear them. I don't know why I do that. I just do. These are the press-on ones. Super cute. They're like that dark purple with the glitter. Some of the styles they actually recycle. They recycle some of the same exact styles, and sometimes they just recycle like patterns. Let's do the press-ons. I only got one of the press-on styles, and I thought this was so cute. And this is in Let Me In, and it's like these pink with the little bats, and then the little spider web with the detail of the rhinestone. I absolutely love these. These are the only sort of press-on ones that I got. I got one similar to this last year in just a pink theme, and I think they had like spiders on them. I think they were similar to this, but they were pink. But in the glue-on nails, I got these ones. Don't all the ones that are like the glue-on don't always have names on them, and I'm not positive why. I think they do like when you buy them, but on the box they do not. So these are glow-in-the-dark ones. Love these. And they have sort of the bat and the pumpkin. These are very like Halloween-y. And then I also got in the same shape these ones here, and these are sort of the French tips but with the black tips. And then it has the bat with the sparkly nail. I got these, and this has the matte black nail, the spider web, and then the gold nail with the, and then it has the little rhinestone encrusted spider. And then I got 2 more and then we're done. So then I got these ones. These are the extra long ones. I love these. You can't do anything in your life with them, but they look so cute. They sort of have the black and white, the pink nail with the spider, and then some other glitter detailed nails. And then I also got these ones, which are pointier. See, these have just a little bit, same length. And these have that purple with the moon and stars, which I absolutely love. So that is what I have for you for Halloween lashes and nails. If you have any Halloween lashes and nails that you got, let me know down below which styles you got. If you got styles that I didn't get that you think I should get, put that down below. If you have subscribed, please consider doing so, and if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!